A1 level English listening practice with Wordismo.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. I have good news.
Oh, really? What is it?
I bought a new phone yesterday. It's very fast.
Wow, that's great. What color is it?
It's black. Do you want to see it?
Yes, of course. Oh, nice. It looks modern.
Thank you. I like it a lot.
I also need a new phone. My phone is very old.
Oh no. Is it slow?
Yes, very slow. The battery is bad too.
You can buy a new one. Maybe next week?
I don't have enough money.
That's okay. You can save money.
Yes, good idea. I will save.
By the way, are you free this weekend?
Maybe. Why?
Let's go to the park. We can play football.
Great idea. I love football.
Perfect. See you on Saturday then.
See you, Anna. Bye.
Bye, Tom.